Hi, today's video is going to be about dry shampoo. I'm just going to make a short video showing you how to use the dry shampoo because I've had a lot of questions about it. Before I carry on, if you could please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for me, that would be awesome. Thank you so much. So today I've got disgusting hair. It's very greasy, as you can see, very dirty. So I was going to put in some dry shampoo, so yeah, I just thought I'll show you what I do. So this is the one that I like to buy, which is just cheap from Coles, and it works and it smells really good. This one in particular, Eden, it smells beautiful. I really like it. So first thing you're going to do is shake it. This is like the most important part. Just shake the can. No one shakes the can. Shake it. All right, once you have shaken it, I'm going to start off with my part. So I'm just going to hold it about here, spray it. All right, then I'm going to take another section here and do the same. Spray it. You can see that's gone nice and white. Spray it. I even shake it like as I'm going, just to really make sure. Oh God, look at me. Gone grey. Being careful not to get it in my ear. And then the same with the other side. I'm just going to do a little bit at the back. Just kind of grabbing it and aiming it at the roots. Okay, now next most important thing, wait. That's what people don't do. They don't shake the can and they don't wait. So before I touch this with my hands, before I put a comb through it, I'm gonna let it dry. I can feel it on my head. It kind of feels a little bit wet. So I wanna wait for that. Wait until it's dry. So if you're doing your makeup or something, you know, you might wanna do this, and then when you're waiting to leave it, maybe you can be doing your eyebrows or putting your makeup on or something. I want you to just kind of forget about it for a minute, just leave it. Because if you touch it too early, it's like the spray doesn't get a chance to dry, and when it's drying, it's absorbing like all your oil, and you've got to think it's in a liquid form and it's coming out and trying to be a powder. So just give it time, let it dry. So that's been like at least 30 seconds. Give it a minute if you can. I can still kind of feel that it feels a little bit cool and a little bit damp. So I'm still just gonna wait. I can tell that that's not ready. And then once it is ready, I don't even really use my comb. I just kind of use my hands and go like that. I'm just gonna give it another minute. All right, so I'm gonna go like this. Just shake it, shake it, shake it. Any little white bits that I see, I'm just rubbing in with my hands like this. Look at this. Right? Get underneath and really make sure it's gone. I don't even use a comb. I don't like using a comb in my hair. And yeah, look at that. That's come out way better. It feels a little bit chalky. It's always going to feel a little bit chalky, you know, you've just put a powder in your hair, but that's just so much better. I might go like this and see how it's looking. Actually kind of still looks a little bit greasy like here. So I mainly just focused that on my roots, but I'm kind of looking a bit greasy here. So I think I might just go over, like my hair's pretty dirty. So I'll go over those mid sections as well. Wait for them to dry. All right, I waited long enough now. Just give that another shake. Yeah, that's better. That's better. So I just needed a little bit through there as well. Yeah, and so that's how you use a dry shampoo. Please let me know if that helped you. I hope that it did. It's just two simple things. I'm just going to mention them again. 1, shake the can. 2, wait. All right. If you liked this video, please give me a like. And if you could please subscribe to my YouTube channel, that would be great. Thank you. Bye-bye.